Hello and welcome to another Nimble video tutorial. The previous video went on for about 15 minutes, so I wanted to break this one out into another one. Just to show you that there are no tricks up my sleeve when I play around with this full server design. In this video, what I want to do is start the server that I just built. It's listening on localhost 3000. You remember when I tested the endpoint the first time, this is the results. We can go to the UML diagram so we can take a look at what it looks like, the hierarchy of the response that comes back from the server. And what we can do is take a snapshot of this. And we'll call this snapshot of a single instance. It's just a mock JSON that I put inside the server. Just to make sure we're clear, there are no tricks up my sleeve. What I'm going to do is stop the server. And let's say I was to change this object and put my name here and change that to JavaScript. If I restart the server, when I test this endpoint, this should change to Thai in JavaScript. Just to show you that this is actually a live working server and I'm not spoofing or trying to fake anybody out. The new UML diagram, and of course my snapshot. Oh, sorry. If I were to remove this server completely, cool part about Nimble is it cleans up all of the node modules. Any work, anything that you've edited is deleted. So I have a total fresh slate, and I'm going to install a blank server. This particular has the same folder layout, but there's nothing to it. There are no modules except the info, which is just a config information, and the server file. So in this info file, it's just basically some copyright domain, what port to listen to, the domain name, and just a name for the server. This server implementation also has a get data and put data endpoint so that you can test, but the results are sampled from the random user me. So this is a JSON object from the random user me site that I threw in here. If I were to run this server, it's going to fail the first time because I haven't done an npm install, and I'll let you see that. It detects if you have installed the packages, and it'll tell you please run npm install on your project. So just by selecting npm install, all the module folders in the server folder will get updated with appropriate libraries. You close these, and now we can start the server. It's also listening on port 3000. We go to our REST endpoint, and if we get the data, you'll see it looks very similar to a random user me layout. We can view the UML contract, and it's pretty straightforward. Not bad for a one-man show, huh? The Nimble solution, full stack implementation. Thank you for watching.